Watch out, world. Here he comes. Oh, heel flip egg roll.
So good, so good. All right, we are out here in San Francisco with Robbie
Hargraves.
and we're doing a public service today. We're doing free skateboard lessons.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Hi.
We're doing free skate lessons. Are you ready for your skate lesson?
Any trick, any trick.
Whatever what are you working on?
Nice to meet you. I'm from Italy, bro. I grew up
Italy?
in your video. Yeah.
Whoa!
How are you doing? My name's Robbie.
Flame. Nice to meet you guys.
Fame?
Flame.
Flame.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you, Flame.
So we got a plethora of skateboards. We got the world's largest and mine, the world's skinniest.
What tricks have you been working on?
Let's do it.
Yeah, we teach you now. What tricks do you already know?
I'm shy.
Don't be shy.
It's all good.
You don't gotta talk. Can you just do a trick for us?
Let's see an ollie.
For the Italians, represent.
I want to see if I can
You
kick
got
it.
heel flip? Heel flip. Yeah. Yeah.
It was like egg roll.
Yeah, egg roll.
I need a free skateboard lesson. Derek, help me out. All right, let's see an ollie. I know you got an ollie. All Italians know how to ollie.
Yeah, 100%.
There
Yeah.
you go. Do you got frontside 180s?
Yeah?
Backside's better?
Okay, do frontside, then backside. Yeah. Warm up, it's okay. Yeah. That was good.
Some people have
That was very
backside,
good.
some people got frontside.
Yeah, everybody's like, front side's easier, but
It just, I like backside lip slides over frontside lip slides. That's just me. See
What
my
up,
foot
bro?
placement? Yeah, your friends are here. Great, we're gonna get a whole session now with you guys.
We're doing free lessons today. Can you learn a trick? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. You can do that. You already did it. You can do it and it doesn't suck. Yeah!
Oh! The only way that you're gonna get more comfortable with that is by being uncomfortable and trying it over and over. That's it. But that was really good.
Thank you.
Yeah, great job.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Would you like to try a backside 180 on the Exzilla?
Oh, damn.
Give it a shot. Come on. Give it a shot. You got this.
bigger than you.
Right here.
Yeah, for real. What?
It's easier than you think. Yes!
Ski ace. That's ski stance.
Yeah.
Backside 180. First try.
What the?
It actually works, right? Don't second guess it. Just go for it, like a normal board.
You ready? You're not, don't be scared. Well, you gotta put the coffees down. Oh! Is he from Italy too?
No.
Wow! That was good pop. Yeah.
I like how he goes for a heel flip. Oh, heel flip egg roll.
Oh, damn!
Oh no, I almost landed primo. But we gotta teach you a trick though. What trick are you trying to learn on your board? You got kick flips?
Yeah.
So you got heel flip?
I'm a heel flip guy. I'm not like
How about do all the tricks you know?
Alright.
If it's a lot, then we're just gonna play a game of skate.
Alright, baby.
All right, dang it, this is on.
He's totally got an S on you. And
Dang
a K.
it,
He's
no.
got S and K.
I'm not
you
playing him.
challenged the
I'm not
wrong
playing him.
person. You challenged the heel flip guy.
What trick could we learn? Tray flip?
Maybe laser flip.
Laser flip, okay, that's a really hard one. We can try. Okay, I think we got that. I know the secret. The secret is with your back foot, this is gonna sound kind of crazy, but your front foot, I think you got it. But your back foot, it doesn't go like that, it goes that direction. Go that way. Try it first, like just throwing the board, and just see if you can get the rotation.
Okay.
You got it. Yeah, even a little more angle. Like before you pop it, I think you should send your foot like that. You see that? It's weird, but it works. Okay, okay. And even prior to your pop, get a little bit more in the back seat, like that. So then you're gonna shoot it more forward. There.
Good, way better than before.
You got it, you got it. Wow. Guess who can't do this trick? This guy. I've landed it, but it's very few.
Right here, right here.
Right here. Oh, was it? You got it!
First time ever.
There it is.
It's much more smooth, huh?
Yeah, even more. Oh, was it? You're just landing like too far on the nose. When you pop, if you can pop more this way, it will shoot it more in front of you, and then you can land it more solid on the board. Yeah, you got it, 100%, legendary. There it is. You know, I wish I could do this trick because then I would do it and then I'd be like, see, it's like that. But I can't do it, so we're just gonna have to do it, you know what I mean?
Wow, okay.
I can spin it, but I can't land it. I think it's the same thing, that angle though. The back foot, like angled that way. There it is.
Needs a lot of power.
Yeah, a lot of power. Now, last thing, leave your legs up. You're bringing it down, just leave them up. Even if you land, like literally land like that, just land like that. Right here for the win, for the W.
First try Saturday.
First try Saturday. Yeah, you got varial heel?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just think varial heel with a lot of that back foot. It's all in that back foot. So close. Let me try something, just almost experimental. Because your back foot is kind of like that. Try to angle it like that. Like your shove motion is that way. When you're doing it, I think you're like that, which is a lot harder. There's a lot more like, when your board hits the ground, it's like popping there. If you're like that, you pop it like there. Because then it lifts off right here, and then it's already like a quarter of the way.
All right.
What do we got over here? Yeah. Try this, just for fun. What size is this, 825?
8'5".
8'5"? Okay, try that. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm dying.
It's a little easier, but scarier to land.
Yeah, I know. It's so funny, it looks like a toothpick.
Is it a 7?
775.
7.
Is it a 7, he said? I'm insulted.
Are you a center?
Oh my God, it's so close. Whoa! Well, I was gonna say, if you don't bend your knees, if you don't bend your knees, you're not gonna.
That's a Swampzilla.
I'm not gonna learn on this one, huh?
This is the grown-up board. Yeah, look at it, it's so fat.
Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Bend those knees, please, you're scaring me.
Watch out, world, here he comes.
Wow, keep the knees bent, sir. Sir, no. Oh my.
Aaron, you look short compared to him.
I'm always so scared, because he's standing up so high.
Bend your knees. He's in.
Wait, he doesn't know how to stop. He's going into traffic. What the heck?
Wow. Don't run me over.
He's fully done this before. He's playing you.
That was so good.
Yes. See, Derek, we get him really tired, then we play him in a game of skate. He's gonna murder me on heel flips. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Detroit.
What? What part? Downtown Detroit,
Okay.
Michigan? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Lions! Keep it going, man. You're crushing it. So we're gonna apply the brake. But did you notice my posture is straight up? I don't want to be leaning forward. I definitely don't want to be leaning back.
There it is!
I can skate better than that, I promise. Well, yeah, it could be. It's like the warrior pose. It's skate yoga.
There it is!
Oh!
No!
I did not tell him to do
Robbie,
that.
what are you doing?
He was just copying me.
No.
He is legit trying it. There you go.
Ah! You good? I think he needs a 775. He would have landed if he had a proper size skateboard. I mean, there it is. Yeah. He said, I'm regretting trying this trick. Yeah.
So do you feel like you're not getting enough 360 shove it?
Yeah, I feel like it's like too much effort.
Try to bring your foot maybe not so far here, but more under the pocket, kind of like a tray flip, right? We use the pocket. Maybe that's gonna help. I know there's like a dead zone if you're too far down, but maybe just about right there. You're so close though. Yeah, and that way we can
There you go.
play around with where your foot placement is.
Yeah, double laser.
Okay, that was from.
You got it! It was That was it. Take a breather, yeah, water, water. I also wonder if it will help you to put your front foot further back, to just try it. It might not though. Might or it might not. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it.
I wonder, do you think laser flip's possible on this?
Definitely yes.
Okay.
Everything's possible. Yeah, okay, try one with your front foot back.
Oh!
That was it! Okay, that was the perfect spin. Now you jump back, you'll land. So a lot of little tweaks and then you have to put them all together. It gets very difficult. There it is!
Oh!
There it is! Yeah, you got it. There it is!
I wonder if he's gonna have enough energy to skate later.
Yeah, I told Derek, this is what we do. We wear him out, and then we play him in the game of skate when he's just completely exhausted.
That's what you're doing
we
with
say,
me.
nah, no water. Just kidding.
No stretching,
Yeah.
no breaks.
No
let's
yoga.
go.
There it is! There it is!
Oh!
You got it!
That was it.
I feel like if we could do it off a curb, it would be so easy. Yeah.
You got this. Bring it in.
All right.
Right here, put it down.
Going down right now.
It is. Yes, sir, let's go.
There it is. Yes! You just stay on there.
Can we just like edit it so I land on it?
Yeah, we can edit it so you land on there. I'll let them make a whole video part. AI. Yes. You got it.
I don't know.
You got it. What do you mean I don't know? It's just a varial hill with a little bit of extra mustard. There it is! When you land like that, just stay on and just give it a little crank. Yeah! It's right there. It's fully right there. This is where you just gotta believe in yourself. You just flick as hard as you can, jump, suck the knees up, and land. You got it. There it is. Remember that back foot. Really focus on not like that way, but that way, toward your nose. Yeah! You been skating? You did? Good job. Derek, you remember her? Yeah, good job. Did you see your video? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We made a skater. We actually had that girl skateboard for her first time. She skated again. She's a skater now. There comes a certain point where you just can't teach him anymore. He just has to push through the effort. Dude, it is right there. You got it, land that. You can't give up when you're right there. Back foot, shove it forward That was it. It's all in that back foot. Okay, let me just try one more thing. Take it on your back foot. So you said it was good on the pocket, right? So you're kind of like that, but when you pop and scoop, are you go off the ball of your foot? What part of your foot is hitting it?
Yeah, like the bottom of the foot.
It's like that, and then your toe is boom, that way. Don't even go straight down. On a tray flip, you know how it's all scoop? It's weird with a tray flip, it's so easy because once you get it, there's no way it's never 360. You're not trying to pop down and then. I think that's where it's coming to be so much effort. Whereas if you're just you know what I mean? There you go. With a tray flip, you can do the tray flip very low and it's still gonna do the rotation. It's because you're going like this and when it pops, it's right there. And then it only goes like that. So similar to this, but on this one, your motion is toe that way and then it's almost yeah, that looks so good. Now you leave your legs up higher and you got it. Ah! Sorry, scared the dog. So I think feet start to go down right here. I think you're so used to varial heel, you're I'm gonna catch it.
Yeah.
But it's still rotating, so leave them high and let it
Very
flip.
slow.
Yeah, it's very slow. That's where a good flick will get it faster. And then if you put your feet down there, it would be right. I mean, that's it, you just stay on. Oh! Yeah, I think you should do it standing still. I think you're still in that same mode of popping down just a little bit. Try and get more of a scoop so the board pops even further on the rotation. There you go. It's weird, I know. Yeah, there it is. You want to take a break? Yeah, take a break. What's your name? Good to meet you, Sato. I'm Aaron, and that's Robbie.
Nice to meet you.
So we're gonna buckle that helmet up. Have you ever skateboarded before? No English. No. Good, because
That doesn't mean you can't
the
skateboard.
universal language is skate or die.
Yeah.
Might be a little big for you, but it'll work.
What language do you speak? Amharic? Can you teach me something? How do you say sunny day? No, but in your language.
He said sunny day. How do you say sunny day? Sunny day?
How do you say
Good.
sunny fields in your language? You want to know how to say sunny field in Danish? Solvang.
Where are you guys from? Ethiopia. I love it. So what is the language?
Amharic.
Amharic. Wow, cool. Okay, you want to ride that one? Okay, careful.
Okay, so this foot, bring it up here. Foot, let's bring it up here. Ow! Not on my hand. Okay, there we go. We'll do that.
There you go.
Bend your knees, bend your knees. There you go. You want to go faster?
Huh?
Lean on your heels. There we go. Keep going. Lean, lean, lean. I got you. Hey, so what about this? We go here, and then we'll step and push. Do you want to try that? I have a feeling he's gonna do. Oh, he's
There you
good.
go,
He's
first try.
got this. Both feet, wide stance. Wide
yeah.
feet, wide feet. Check this out. Look, wide feet when you stand on the
Bend the
board.
knees, bend the knees.
And then front foot here. There you go. On the tail, Go ahead.
Whoa. Yeah,
Go.
you got it, you
Lean
got
on
it.
your toes.
There you go. He's naturally leaning, naturally turning. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Wide
Good
feet.
job.
Whoa.
Hey, that was good. Just tell him the same foot, always the same foot to push. You're always gonna do the same foot to push. Always stay there. You wanna try the big guy. Wait, it looks like your shirt. This one might be harder because he's probably hard to get his feet off the side. Okay, you got it.
Go ahead, give that one a try.
Swampzilla. Yeah.
Whoa! Hey, good job. Try again.
Go ahead. We never end on a fall. Put your front foot there, and now give it a push and step on. Go ahead, you got it. Now step on. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Bend your knees. Let me show you. When you push and then you step on, you want to be like this. You want to put your feet like that. Too close together, too scary. Try again. Good. He's getting there. Okay. Good job. You did great. You did good. You're welcome. Thank you.
Can I have your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's a Braille Skateboarding. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So good. So good. New skater every day. What up? Good. How are you? Good to see you. You ready? I know. I know. It's exhausting. It's the world's most exhausting trick. You're like inches away. Your shoulders are like that, which will send your board backwards, and then you'll land on the nose. Your shoulders are like that, up, and the back one's back. Like a tray flip, when you shoot it, it's going out in front of you. Here, I'll show you with the tray flip. If my shoulders are forward, I'm gonna go like this, right? If my shoulders are back like that, in front of me. Now you got it. Now you will land, 100% guaranteed. There it is! Oh! I know I'm the same way. I'll never give up. I'll say, that's it. I'm giving up. Sometimes I'll say, like, you have to break my board so I can give up. There it is! There it is! Let's go! Let's go! Good job! That was awesome. You killed it. Okay, that was the hardest trick. That's the hardest trick I've ever had anybody like push through all the effort to do that. That was well done. Okay, this is why I love teaching skateboarding. It's so great to get that feeling of landing the trick, and you've been working on it for so long. I hope that this motivates you guys to get out there and land whatever trick you're working on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.